What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So really quickly, because I'm about to go in, today is March 17th, I believe, and I'm about to do another modeling for a paid photography class. Same thing that I did last time. It was like the guy that I work with for the light painting. You'll probably see in the video before this, maybe not before this, but previous videos you'll see. But I'm out here in Port Orange at the Baptist Church, and he's about to go ahead and teach a class, and then again I'm gonna model for it. And then the photographers are gonna tip me and stuff, so I'm excited about that. But I heard that all of them, or not all of them, a lot of them are kind of like training for a wedding, so they told me to wear white. I didn't have a white dress, so I went ahead and just used a white top. But I gotta go because I believe we're getting started, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.
Close Five Below. It's Five Beyond.
Never seen nothing like this before. Never seen nothing like this.
The new Five Beyond is beyond belief. And only inside Five Below.
When you're already a great nurse, but you're called to do more, you belong at Chamberlain University, where our community empowers.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over, even when you're
guys probably seen, I'm gonna put in some clips of like what you I can't speak. What I was gonna say is you probably just saw the clips of some of the shoots. So just to explain it, because I think I didn't really explain it right when I first picked up the camera because I was rushing too. But yeah, so it wasn't a class this time. It was a class technically, but it was a class for one lady herself, because like I said, I guess it was her specifically who was preparing for a wedding coming up in April. So she just wanted somebody to model as like the bride and stuff, so she can be able to know the proper ways to take the photos for the bride whenever the day comes up. So that's what you saw, a little bit of me sitting down under like the trees and stuff, and then standing up. So even though, like I said, I didn't have like a white dress or anything, she really was just trying to get the color right for the camera. So that's why the white top was like important. But yeah, so I did that, and then also I think I filmed a little bit of another part of that, but maybe I didn't. But I also did go out there to get some pictures done for myself from Hal, because he wanted to shoot with me as well. Normally we do like a light painting type of thing, which you may have seen on my Instagram. But basically like where you move the light stick around behind the model, and then it like lights up the back. I don't know, it's cool. But regardless, his knee is kind of messed up, so he couldn't do the light painting. So rather than that, we just decided to do some regular photos. So that is what you will see within the videos where I'm like under the tree canopy and I'm by the tree and I'm taking photos. Y'all see it. Y'all will see it when I, like, before this clip, you should have seen it. But with the benches and stuff like that too. So that is my personal stuff, but it still was giving aid to the lady for her to kind of learn and understand some things as well. So that's that. You guys are gonna see those pictures if I like any of them, because a lot of them were really just kind of like test shots in order to make sure that like the lighting and everything was right, like I'm mentioning. So y'all will see that if I do end up liking those, I'll post those. But yeah, I feel like I'm like clouded. I got there at like 3 and it is currently 6:29, so I'm on my way back home. It's like an hour drive. I got about like 45 minutes left in it, so yeah, but I'm excited. It was a nice experience. I got $60, I believe. I really didn't think that I was gonna get anything really, or even like that much of an amount, only because last time it was a class and all of them kind of tipped, so I didn't think that I would get anything. But yeah, he gave me the photographer, or the one who was trying to do the wedding, the photographer, she gave me $40, and then Hal also gave me like an extra $20. But they're really sweet. Yeah, so it was a good experience overall doing that. And yeah, y'all, I would really love to be able to get like an agency or something of that sort. I know a lot of them are like a little wishy-washy, so you gotta be careful with that type of stuff. But I don't know, it's just a nice experience, and that's why I don't mind coming all the way out here for stuff like that, even if I get paid or don't get paid. And these have been like the only 2 times I've ever gotten paid for doing modeling and stuff. Other than that, I normally just do the TFP, which is just trade for photos. Some people might have other phrases for it or abbreviations for it, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so getting paid to like stand there and look pretty and, you know, like, I would just be amazing. So overall, it was a nice experience. I think I said that like 3-4 times already, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive home. My head feels all over the place. It's been a long time. I haven't eaten all day either, so I think that's why I'm will see you guys later. Bye.